Welcome dear viewers. This is my website. I showing you how you can add features image in your WordPress WordPress website in blog. So you have to go for that reasons in your dashboard or customize site or all post. Here you can see there is no features post. Here is only one. There is a no features image. I will show you how you can set up or get up your features image in your WordPress website. This is very easy. For the reasons, you have to go in your dashboard. We are going to dashboard and open all post. Okay, here all post and features image. There is a very template to template. I have 3 images for features in I now adding a features in block Garo. You just click in this post, and after that you have to select here features image, and then you can click this. Here you can click the features image. So by the clicking, you have to upload or you have to select up images for that post. Okay, I have here I have different types of select, or you have to upload features image here which you want to set up a features image in post. So I select this post or other post. Here I am select one images. Here I am selecting, and that image is setuping this image. I set up and select other images. Here I can select other images for features image. You can see here, and you can write here different kinds of. Here I have select this image for features image. Here you can, in captions you can write down, or all text you can write down. Okay, you can select okay. By that way, here again I am selecting that features image. Here I change the image's name, and here you can write your text which you want, especially for SEO. Whenever you want to SEO, I will show you how you can do that on page or off page SEO. Here is features images setup. Now whenever you click here, you can change it. Here again in Garo post, I will setting up a features image. Okay, here you can edit again in other images. Okay, Garo physical structure. Here in the post, select the post and then features image, and you have to select here from here which image you can select. Okay, I am selecting one here, or you can upload images from your computer or any other set. I can select this image, Garo structure and features image already set up. Okay, this image you can see tick. I here I can write down the text which is my blog post text. Here I am editing there. This is very easy and anyone can do that. By that way you can edit descriptions. I just showing in too fast. For that reasons I write this Garo physical structure in Elementor plugin. Okay, here that's features images setup, and other images Garo homeland national Garo homeland natural identity of Garo's habitat. I select other images. This is already I select and now I can update it. Okay, so here again I am selecting that images. Okay, and now I select update. Okay, so now update, whenever I update it, that all are free images, that's features image are selected, and I have to select it. How I select that, just refresh my WordPress website. You can see here 3 features images are showing, 1, 2 and 3: Garo homeland naturals identity, Garo physical structures, and Garo. So you can change these by going to that post, and you have to do by theme. I have a Astra 3.8 theme in the free theme. For that reasons, I have the 3 features images I will be showing up in my WordPress themes, and other images you can show different types of features images in your website. So this is the home page. The slider, I will showing you how you can do that slider. In the next tutorial I will show you. Thank you very much for watching my video.